generosity to our cause are the cornerstone of our success.
Ralph Ryan Valles is the husband of our MC, Arnel Valles, and he is the sales executive at Ponce Automobile Corporation.
Hereby accept membership in the Bacolod City Host Lions Club.
I said, I'm not a millionaire, but I am a lion. All it takes is your determination and passion for service. Thank you for standing by me.
But anyway, so
accept Lion Thea Bilinganan, the next secretary. Treasurer Jean Osano and my